Hello, um, my name is Charles Crunchy and this is a video update on Adinkra alphabet. So this is the fourth edition of Adinkra alphabet, which is the most current edition that was published last year, 2021. And this is the character map of Adinkra alphabet. So you have it for the languages of Akan, Ewe, Ga, and Dagbani. And there are a total of 42 characters. So this shows the pronunciations of the Adinkra alphabet characters. And this slide shows the original Adinkra symbols and the simplification to the current Adinkra alphabet glyphs. And this is the vowels. So there are 7 vowels, but the A and the E vowels are used. They're used differently in different situations, so you can see them explained in the brackets. And this is the consonants. And here we have a table showing the vowels. So we're going to be going through the tables and then I'll be pronouncing them as we go along the way. So the first is the A character as A, actually as A. So that is a long A, so you have Adinkra. And then below that we have Akwaba, which is the same A character but using as A. So, and then after that we have the A character, the E character being used as a short A, so you have AC. And then also we have the E character being used as a long E, so we have me, which is me, me as in me, in tree. And then the E character, which will be used as in akwesi. And then also O as in onipa, which is like a person. Akwesi is the name of a person. And also the next is the O character, the O vowel, which as used in kotoko. And then below that is the U character as in Ijuma. And then we have the E character as in Ekom. Ijuma means work and Ekom means hunger, as in Ekomideme, I am hungry. And then so that is for the vowels. So I mean the part of the vowel, the things to be aware of is just the way the R and the E characters are used based on whether the character is a long A or a short A or a long E or a short E. So you will come across this a lot, and sometimes they are used interchangeably. But this is the simplification that kind of harmonizes all the they use in all the 4 major character Adinkra languages. So in the Akan, in the Ewe, in the Gan, and the Dagbani. And for the consonants, so the first one is B, which is be, or as in this will be bua. So bua means help, as in bua may help me. The C character is only used in borrowed words. So, like for instance, my first name is Charles, and then this, and then you use the C character for that. In that case, when you write it, since it's a name, you actually you're just using the Adinkra as a cipher, just transliterating there from the original from the language and then into the Adinkra language. And then after that we have the check, which is ch. So ch, you in Akan words such as dencham, because there's no C in Akan alphabet, you actually don't have the ky is used in place of ch, but in Adinkra you will use the ch, so that will be dencham. And then the next is de, and then follow below that is da, so it's more of a short d. So these two words means completely different thing. Although if you write them with the English character, you're gonna write them the same way. You're gonna write da, but in using the Adinkra character, so the first one is dada, as in father, and then the next one is dada, as in old. So dada as in father and dada as in old. Then follow below that is a diban or food. So the dz, so this is dz character, and this is for a diban of food. Then f, fe, so fofro, which is new, something that is new is fofro. And then below that is the short f, which is fi. So if something is dirty, we say fi. So you use the short f character for that. And then below that we have the g character, g. So gd, as in believe. GD, have nyagidi, have faith, believe. And then the ga. So as in the name Ghana, we spell it GHA. The GH actually is the ga character, ga. So Ghana. And then below that we have the H character, as in ha, here. And then K, as in example ko, which is go. Then the next set of consonants we're looking at is the KP character, which is pa. So as in Bando, pa. Bando is a city in the Volta region. So pa, Bando. And then L, we don't have a lot of L in Akan language. The other languages have them, but you're gonna see them in borrowed words. So this one is lorry, as in an automobile. Lorry, as in like a car. So lorry. And then ma, as in give, ma, for M. And for the N we have none, as in leg. And then the NY, nye, that's nye. So nyame, so NY, the NY is nye. And the usually it's for words that ends with a sound, with a gong sound, like a gong. So here you have Quentin Pong, which is highway, means highway in Chi. Quentin Pong. And then the P is pam, as in so, pam. And the R as in bra or braha, bra, come here, bra, come, braha, come here. And S, son, son as in go back or return, son. The HY is actually the more like a sh, sh, sh sound. So that would be, so this is sh as in burn, sh, so no, burn. Then tam, tam, so that's tam, so as a cloth, so cloth is tam. And the tx, so that is actually a better way, I think, of writing chi, which would be txwi, so chi, which would be chi. So because chi, if you pronounce the way it's spelled, usually you end up, it's easy to say. If you don't know how it's pronounced, you'll be saying twi, 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 but it's actually chi. So so ts, the tswi, chi, chi kind of spells much simpler to me. So the next, this is the last group of characters. Most of these ones are used in more like borrowed words. For the top one, jama. Jama is a popular traditional Ghanaian songs that you find a lot in secondary and high schools. So that is jama. And the jama, you can spell with a J, or sometimes you see it spelled with GY, jama, GYAMA. Gbefi is a town in the Volta region, so GB, Gbefi. And then the kill, usually you're gonna find kill in names, said names. So Kwe is a popular name in Ghana, and so Kwe, that well, so QAUAE. V is usually going to be used in borrowed words. So like most borrowed words going to be either first names or last names that are not originally Ghanaian. So Victoria. And then Ewe. So Ewe is written EWE, but the correct pronunciation is Eve. So that's the short V. Short V. So V. So Eve. And then W is, so Wo means you. So there's a lot of words with W. So Wo, you. X and Z are gonna be used usually. You need that for like mathematical formulations and borrowed words. So X-axis, X-ray, Z-axis, so words like that. And then Y, there's a lot of words with Y. So Yao is a name. It means a Thursday born male child. So Yao. And Zili is the Bani word. It means a load or to make someone sit. So zili, unlike versus Z, that's a long, this is a short zili. So that is it. Bedase. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. I thought I should do a recap. It's been almost 7 years now since Adinkra was first published, and we have the fourth and the final edition of the book. So enjoy, and if you have any question, leave in the comments below. Please don't forget to subscribe and follow us along. Visit us on our shop and then websites, and thank you.